My name is Herb, and want to welcome you to my shop. This is the continuing saga of measuring the run out on my 3-jaw lathe, and I've had several comments as to what I need to do, and one of them was to measure the interface between the chuck and the spindle. And what you see here is the spindle face, and I've changed indicators. This is a Starrett model 196, I believe. I use it because it has a wider button on the back, and face here is not smooth. It's got ridges in it, and that caused some variance in the measurement. So I've got it set up here, and I'm going to show the run out. I've got it zeroed, and I'm going to slowly turn it here. And what the little divot you saw there is the hole that it just went over. So it looks like that there's probably maybe a half a thou run out. Maybe a half a thou. And so that's not too bad. Okay, this is the chuck, the back of it. This is typical of the 6-inch Chinese chucks. It's a 6-inch chuck. I think the bolt holes are 5.19 something, and then this center recess is 130 millimeters. It's about 1/4 inch deep. The through hole is a little over 1.5 inches. So I'm going to put it back together now, and we'll measure the run out again. Okay, I've put the chuck back on, and I put my 3/4 inch end mill back in, and went back to the indicator that I was using before, and we've got it set up here again. And when I first put it on, I measured it, and it was about 4 thou, just the same as it was in the previous video. I thought I'd try a few things, and what I did is I went back and changed the way I tightened the chuck jaws. I started with number 1. I've got it marked here on the chuck, and of course the jaw is a number 1. And I tightened it first, and it was 4 thousandths. So I loosened it a little bit and went around to the one that would correspond with the number 2 jaw, and I tightened it. And what I found here is that I went from 4 thou to, it's off a little bit now, I went down to under 2. So it's apparently the way the scroll is working, but right there is about 2 thou. So who knows? I don't think I'm going to get it any better than that. Anyway, I appreciate everyone's comments and the help that you've given me on this and the suggestions. So I think we've got this thing as good as it's going to get. And 2 thou is not bad for 3-jaw chuck. I just have to, when I'm indicating something, that I'll have to be mindful of the way I tighten it. But I believe there's some phenomena there that I don't understand, probably in the scroll. So anyway, thanks everyone for watching, and please subscribe.